All right, I've made some modifications to my tubing reel or tubing spool. First of all, I made this yoke that allows it to spin around, and I'll show you guys that in a second. But the other thing I did is when you get to a T and these drops, at first I was just coiling them up around the bucket, but that got kind of annoying. So I went and I drilled holes all around the lip of the bucket, and then I cut slots. So you can slide your spile into the hole, feed your drop line inside your bucket so it's not in the way, and then slide it down the slot. Okay, and then just keep coiling up as you go. Okay, and we're just going to keep coiling as we walk here. Okay, spinning this around. And the benefit of putting these spiles inside the bucket, if I'm going to replace these spouts every year, I can do that easily now in the off season. They're all inside here. Once I slide the bucket off the yoke, I'll have access to the spouts. I can cut them off, replace them in the off season before I go ahead and hang this back up in the spring for the following season. Okay, there it is all rolled up. That's over 1,200 feet of line with, I think, about 28 or 30 taps on it. So overall, very successful with the spooling and with getting all the drops inside, making it nice and neat and easy to unspool next year. Okay, this is the yoke we made for the tubing spool. It's just on a 1/2 inch PVC, real simple. We've got some of the foam for some cushioning. This part up here just goes around your neck. This part down here rests across your waist, and the spool goes out here, and it's real simple. We just left this part unglued so you can slide the bucket and the lid on there, pop that back together, and then as you walk down the hill, just spool it up, and on the way back up in the spring, just unspool it. Worked awesome. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.